video classes for the student of Institute of English of Latif University, Kharpur. These video lectures cover the whole scope of English literature, and you will find videos for the subjects of drama, fiction, novel in 18th and 19th century, and American literature as well. For watching more videos on literature and awareness sessions, keep on watching my video channel and subscribe my channel. I thank you all and I love you all. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This time for the students of BS4 American Literature. Today's presentation is about Faulkner's view of woman. The novel that we are going to study is The Sound and the Fury, written by William Faulkner, and today's discussion is about Faulkner's view of woman. Ladies and gentlemen, you would be surprised to know that William Faulkner very strangely treats women in most unfavorable way. For Faulkner, his views regarding women are not encouraging one. He not only highlights the promiscuous and possessive nature of women, but he declares them as the cause of evil and cause of disturbance. William Faulkner is supposed to be the writer who highlighted young American women and then declaring them as American bitches. He shamelessly highlights the sexual attitude of young American women and beautifully describes them, that how these young women dominate or possess man. These women are shown as possessive and dominating, and they cause suffering for men. Man suffers at the hands of women. This is what William Faulkner believes in his novels. William Faulkner classifies his young women into two groups. There are number of women introduced into the novels of William Faulkner, but his young women are classified into two larger groups. The first group includes young marriageable women, and they are the great, sluggish, mindless daughter of peasants, whose fertility and sexual attraction are very much like those of a witch in heat. And then the second group is the group of aristocratic women who are feverish, almost fleshless, but they are also sexually very hungry. They are the hungry daughters of the aristocracy. Then Faulkner also introduces some elderly women. For Faulkner, women continue to play a dominating role in the lives of a man as wives, as mistress, as mothers, as sisters, and then they take the rest of man's life and create restlessness and create disturbance in their life. The only women that are capable of not showing these attitudes are the women who reach at the age of their menopause, the women who is out of their sexual attractions. Only such elderly women are shown with great respect by William Faulkner. Otherwise, for Faulkner, American women are those women who create disturbance, who create nuisance in society, who bring downfall of family, who bring disintegration in society, who create lot of tussles and lot of problems in the lives of man. And he has beautifully depicted all these women in his different novels. And he has shown that young women of America are always promiscuous. They are always looking for lust. They are always looking for sexual satisfaction, and as if seeking sexual pleasure is the only game and the only aim of young American women's lives. But William Faulkner, in the later stages of his writing, when tries to write about senior women, tries to write about the women who have attained menopause, who have crossed the age of sexual attraction. Those women are shown as responsible women, and those women are shown and treated with great respect. Otherwise, for Faulkner, women are the class that create restlessness in society, and they create disintegration in family. They create chaos in the society. So the treatment of women is not positive in the eyes of William Faulkner, and this is what we often find in most of his novels. All of his novels are replete with such women. In Absalom, and the Hamlet, and the Wild Palms, and in every novel, Faulkner introduces such women who are classified into these two greater groups, who always try to haunt men, who always try to dominate men, who always try to create disturbance into the peaceful activity of life and try to create disturbance in life. So this is what William Faulkner presents women in his novels, except some elderly women who have attained the age of menopause. They are shown as peaceful and very responsible women. Thank you for watching this video.